excited? Are you excited for your first flight?
All right, our first time ever flying with Jean here, who is 4 months old. Now it's a 10-hour flight from Toronto, Canada to Sao Paulo, Brazil. It is a direct flight, which is pretty great.
Right.
So no layovers. And we chose to take off at 11 p.m. tonight.
Oh boy.
So typically Jean's bedtime is about 8:30, but she does sleep through the night.
Yes.
So we're going to delay her bedtime till after takeoff, I guess. And hopefully she can sleep for most of the flight. This is our idea, although she could be screaming. We don't know what to expect.
Oh boy.
First child and first time flying with her. Now, before we take off, Ivana's going to give you some packing tips because our suitcase size has radically increased now that we're flying with baby.
Oh yeah. Jean is ready for her trip to the tropical country of Brazil. Now, before we had her, we used to be carry-on only people, but now look how big this suitcase is. We have to get a check-in bag.
And this is almost exactly 50 pounds.
Yes, almost
So,
50
From
pounds.
carry-on to 50-pound
Mostly it's her stuff. So I got her like bed to begin with, but it's full of formulas, like liquid formulas. So inside is like this, full of this formulas. That's what makes it heavy, and they're all liquid. We're gonna bring some on our carry-on because you're allowed to go over your 100 milliliter limit for babies to bring liquids. But it's mostly full of formulas, and of course this whole thing is diapers. I know they sell diapers in Brazil, I know, but I'm gonna bring some anyway. I don't know if we bring too many diapers, or if we don't have enough. Who knows? This is my first time packing with a baby, and we'll be gone for 28 days.
What's your diaper count?
I didn't even count. I just like fit as many as I can in this little
Packing cube.
You know? Her toys, and we got my clothes and Steve's clothes, but mostly Jean's clothes. Summer clothes, onesies, blankets. Really, Jean? Most of this stuff, they're Jean stuff. You know? We only have this and another one for me, and that's it. And the rest, they're Jean stuff. And then this is our carry-on. We're bringing pillow for the flight because it's overnight, hoping she can sleep on the pillow. And also, it's more comfy for us to have her on the pillow. I'm a little bit nervous, mainly because it's overnight. I like my sleep too, but I have a feeling we won't get any sleep tonight. Steve, what do you think?
We're gonna see.
We're just gonna have to see. And cooler bag full of her bottles and milk. So bottles, and we'll fill it up with milk and formulas. Another cooler for my breast pump, and then diaper bag full of, again, diapers, toys, blankets for Jean. Hopefully we got everything we need, but the most important thing we can't forget is the hat. There you go, Jean. Doesn't she look so cute? Oh.
Safari hat, baby.
Safari hat. Which, by the way, you have a... You got a twin with Dad. This is your hat, Dad. It's gonna look super gringo in Brazil.
No regrets. All right, with that being said, let's go to the airport.
Let's go.
Not bad. Not bad.
Woohoo! It's close.
Here we go.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay, Steve?
Yeah, good, yeah, good.
Let's go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Oh. What? There's something new. There's like nobody working here.
Nobody working here. We just check ourselves in and we gotta put the bags in here too.
Yeah.
We're doing this right, no? Man, how many flights have we taken in our life? Hundreds.
Yeah.
Never saw us before. Not an
Okay.
employee in sight.
See you there.
Hopefully
in
they
Sao
go to the
Paulo.
right place. Look at that. Vending machine with a single piece of cake. Never saw that before.
Ah, what's up?
Now, so far so good. Jean has been pretty darn well behaved, although we're not very surprised because typically she's pretty good in the stroller, although the real test awaits when the plane takes off. So our strategy is to time the feedings so that as the plane is ascending, she'll be with bottle in mouth, drinking milk, so that hopefully the swallowing will minimize any ear pressure and ear pain and potential tantrums. So let's see.
Not yet.
Tag, right? Yes.
Yay. Good.
And so I think when we checked in ourselves, we didn't do the tag properly. Because they just printed another tag for us.
All right.
Anyway, it worked out.
There are all the strollers. Oh no, no, Jean.
Oh boy.
No, don't cry. Don't cry. Oh no.
Plane hasn't even moved yet.
Don't cry, don't cry.
Milk, 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 milk.
Milk.
It's okay. Gigi. Okay, this is coming
Good
down
evening,
a
ladies
little
and
bit.
gentlemen. Your captain speaking. My name's Ross Berry. I'd like to welcome you
gotta
on
sit.
board flight 90, shortly departing for onboard Air Canada 90, very shortly departing for Sao Paulo. Continuing on to Buenos Aires. My name is David Victor. It's my pleasure to be your service director this evening. On behalf of Captain Ross Berry, the rest of the crew.
Just totally out. Although we're not high enough for the ears to pop. Your ears pop yet?
My ears, yeah.
They already popped?
Yeah.
I tell you what, when we got on the plane, it was about as worst outcome as you could imagine.
Yeah. She didn't even want milk.
No milk, freaking out. She was doing the cry where she like arches her back and kicks her feet. It's like a whole body cry.
Yeah.
Muscles included. But now we gotta be
And hopefully she'll
pretty
sleep.
high up in the sky.
She'll sleep through the night. It's like 11 p.m. right now.
Oh, that was a relief.
We're flying overnight.
That was a relief. Way to go, Jean.
Wait,
You're a
come
sweet baby, Jean. Everybody loves you, Jean. Nice. I thought she was gonna have a total breakdown and be going, it's not so bad.
The first time, that first time we got into the plane though, that was tough.
That was a total. That was the worst case scenario.
Yeah.
Now she's out like a light. Thank gosh, my blood pressure went down. I thought she was gonna be freaking out right now. And the thing is, usually when she freaks out, we get up, walk around.
Yeah.
But right now you can't move.
Right.
So if she was freaking out, we would just be with freaking out baby stuck.
Yeah, yeah. Good job, Jean. Good job.
Good job, Jean. Good job. Napkin. Get some barf.
7 a.m. now, and Jean has slept throughout the night. She has been a good girl.
Tell you what, the first 15 minutes were rough, but since then, such a good girl.
Okay, time for a diaper change.
Diaper change.
And pump for me. You're flying, Jean. Woo.
Confused. So, Ivana, rate your flying with baby experience.
Gotta get used to this. First, I think I packed too much. My carry-on.
Same.
Too much milk formulas.
Yeah.
But, you know, overall, this has been great, except the beginning. The beginning was a little rough.
Agree.
You know, she was crying like crazy.
But since then, it's been pretty smooth.
She slept throughout the night. It's good.
Pretty good. All right, let's go. Yeah, thank you.
Hello, Sao Paulo. Of course, we gotta go through the shops here. Oh, the weather's so good.
I know, right?
Right now it's not too hot, not cold at all. We left the frozen Canada.
Muito bom over here. Jose. Okay, Steve. Yeah. And now, the full tour of our baby-friendly apartment. First things first, we just cranked the AC because it is muito hedgy-hudgy over here. Now, the kitchen has this big pole in it, which is not ideal, but not the end of the world. We got the fridge, we got the stove, microwave, full kitchen. Bathroom is actually pretty nice overall. And you might notice there is electricity in the shower head. Do not be alarmed. Last time we were in Brazil, I mentioned that and everybody made fun of me. Evidently, it's the water heater built into the shower head. 2-in-1 deal. Now here's the main feature of the apartment, which is kitchen table, workstation, bed, couch, TV, and behind Ivana, a crib, which is pretty darn good.
This is your new home right here.
Pretty darn good room. And tell us the price of this lovely venue.
36 Canadian per night.
Boom, we'll write it on the screen in US and local.
Yes.
Which is, for me, that's affordable. For a good location, good place with crib, boom. Both Ivana and I are a little tired. We didn't sleep very much.
Yes.
As well as hungry. As well as, I got one thing on my mind. Can you guess what it is? 2 things on my mind. I'll even say 3 things. Guess.
Cerveja frio.
Got it. Number 2.
Grande cerveja.
Okay, that's the same, but what's number 2?
Caipirinha.
Got it. What's number 3?
Number 3.
BOTECO, pra caramba. Não feijoada, BOTECO. BOTECO, cerveja grande. Let's go.
Muito frio, muito grande.
All right, quick pit stop for a beer here with 2 American cups. I don't know why they call these American cups in Brazil. I never saw them in all of the states. But in any case, the beer is ice cold, and we got the camisinha, and it's a pit stop on the way to lunch. Cheers, Ivana.
Oh,
So cold.
she's so cute. She's asleep, and I am falling asleep. I'm hungry, and I'm tired.
Me too.
And Miss Cerveja is so cold and good.
Me too.
I am falling asleep right here.
Same. Oh, I was up all night. All right, so we've come to another BOTECO here, which at least to me looks pretty raiz, which translates to roots, and it means not Nutella. Now, over here they've got the pratos do dia, which means plates of the day. We're assuming they're starting with Monday, meaning today must be quinta. So I'm gonna get a quinta, plate of the day. Costela bovina asada. Rice, those beans, remember torpedo beans? They're good. I don't know what they are, but they're good. Then they have like some kind of citrus in them or something, like tomato or something?
Yeah.
Something like that?
Yeah.
Feijão torpedo. I remember that being good. And vinaigrette, always good. And bovina means cow. So I'm saying there's beef in that. I'm saying that's rice and beans and Steak. Sold. Hola.
Bem?
Muito bom. Quinta.
Ó, só vai ter esse aqui.
Costela bovina assada.
Acabou.
No.
Aqui, ó.
Oh.
Sai tudo.
Sai tudo, everything.
Sim, tudo.
Muito bom. Ok. Frango parmigiana.
Sim.
Sim. E cerveja grande.
Tem
Original.
aqui, ó. Original?
Original. Muito bom. Now, Ivana got something grillado. Contra de grillado. Which evidently is steak and rice and fries. By the way, very common in Brazil for rice and fries. Thank you.
Obrigada.
I've also got rice and fries. Oh, Ivana, this is good eating right now.
Let's eat.
We're both so hungry.
Super hungry. Oh, even the rice is good. The rice is tasty.
Okay, guys, let's eat. And by the way, the best hot sauce, it's not even hot sauce actually.
It's very spicy.
It's oil with chilies in it, right? So it's called, what's it called again? Pimento.
Pimento.
Pimenta. Super spicy, but the flavor is packed in because it's oil. It's not vinegar based, it's not salt or sugar. Oil and chilies.
And it's ketchupy. That's too spicy.
Too spicy for you means too spicy for me.
Yeah.
Anyway, everybody, stay tuned to a video about why Brazil is our favorite country to travel to, because
The best.
first time back in how many, like 2 years we haven't been here,
Yeah.
which is a real tragedy because we love this place. And stay tuned. But now, Ivana and I are gonna eat and go to bed. We're tired.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.